Today I'm going to be showing you how to adjust your 256ME. When first unboxing the cube, you'll see this cardboard, which you would throw away. You'll see the cube and you just stick it out, right? And here is the little box, which there's also the adjustment tool. You're gonna open it from here, and you're going to see this adjustment tool, which is like the same one from the iPhone. But when you're opening up the pamphlet, it's not really that clear. I mean, it just says how to turn it, and that you have to turn it clockwise, but it doesn't really instruct where it is. So today I'm going to be showing you how to adjust the 356ME and how to not really complicate it as much. So you're first going to take out the center cap. There. It's kind of hard to take out because it has this little foots, which are kind of hard to take out. But here's the adjustment system. So to set up the cube, you have to look at the little center travel distance. And if you want to change the setting, you are going to be looking at the little space here. If the space connects with the number, it means that it is tensioned to that number. So to change it, you can just go clockwise like this. Now it's on 1, and this is how it turns, which is like the most flexible setting, but it also means that it can pop a lot. But let's say you don't want it at 1 and you want to change it to 3. Well, you can turn it clockwise too, like this. There, and 3 turns like this, which I believe is the tightest setting. It still feels very fast. If you don't like 3 either, you can change it to 2, which is the normal setting it always comes with, which is my setting, and it's like the best for me, like this. And that's all the settings from the center travel adjustment system. If you want to change the tensioning adjustment system, you can go down here, and the little numbers you see here, but you have to put a flashlight on or something because it's very light and it's the same color as the plastic. So the largest number is 4, which I have it on 4, which I think is like the best one. But you can also change it, like this is 4. Tension adjustment means is that tightness of the sides being compressed to the core, a little tighter or looser. So if you want to change that too, you can go down here and change it. Which I changed it there to the setting of 3. This is how it turns. Pretty good, right? If you like it on 3, you can leave it on 3. And if you want it on 2, you can just adjust that too. And yeah, that's basically how you adjust the cube. If you want it to be fair in like every spot, you can just do it with all the center caps, and that's how you do it. Thanks for watching.